guys, we're going for a walk around Greenway Bank Country Park. We brought some seeds and worms to feed the birds. Hey guys, we're doing some seeds. Hey guys, this place is haunted because there's a gravestone over there. I mean the castle of Malka. Into the thing, the rock arch. Putting seeds on here. One put worms on.
You want the seeds then?
Putting some more on.
Yeah.
Another rock arch. We put some more seeds out, guys. Hey guys, I don't know why, but they've removed the old park that used to be here. There used to be a play park there, and it's not there anymore. It used to be the play park. It's not there anymore. Hey guys, we're having a little sneaky trip to shake some rocks. The park's open now. And the alpaca is open. I've had a milkshake.
What flavour?
Strawberry.
Is it good?
Yeah. Thanks for watching everyone, like and subscribe. Today guys, we're going in.